Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Today, I'm back with one of my favorite idioms. It's versatile, it can fit different scenarios, and it can take slightly different meanings depending on the situation. But before we get to business, I want to remind you that I help Spanish speakers sound natural and confident in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow English lessons. Now, back to my favorite idiom. Have you ever seen a mother duck walking or swimming with her ducklings? At first, it looks a bit messy with ducklings wandering around, exploring, and doing their own thing. But when it's time to move, they line up neatly behind their mother. The chaos turns into order and they all start moving together in a straight line, which helps them stay safe. Well, that's why we say get your ducks in a row when we want to talk about getting organized and ready to move forward. This is the literal meaning, but because it's so relatable and efficient, it has been adopted into everyday language and is used in different contexts, including professional ones. In all these contexts, it means making sure that all the pieces are in place so things go smoothly. Now, let's look at 3 different contexts where it can be used. When talking about preparing for a meeting or project. For example, a manager might say, before we present this proposal to the client, let's get our ducks in a row. Like double check the numbers, finalize the slides, and rehearse the pitch. When addressing someone's behavior or performance, for example. Let's take Melissa. Let's say she's been late to work several times and she's missed a few deadlines and forgotten to reply to some high priority emails. Her manager calls her into a private meeting and says, I need you to get your ducks in a row. We rely on you, so let's figure out how we can fix this. Or when talking about preparing for personal growth. For example, Linda has expressed her interest in a promotion. But what her manager said was, that's a great goal. But before applying, make sure you get your ducks in a row. Like complete your certification and get some leadership experience. See how it can be used in different contexts? When talking about preparation or prioritizing, or accountability, or even self-improvement. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, when's the last time you got your ducks in a row and achieved one of your goals? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more idioms. And thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.